unique specialty in classics, 1957 Pontiac Star Chief Catalina, or two-door hardtop, Catalina designation. Now, this particular car, complete frame-off restoration, 2012, by a local renowned hot rod shop here in our area, and they do extremely nice work. It also started out as an Arizona car, so you have both those things going for you. And when I talk about the work that they did at Dick's Hot Rod Shop, is the name of the place that did this. Look at the line on that hood. Look at how these body lines line up. Take a look straight down that one. Look at this chrome and bright work up front. So nice high-end restoration. And again, multiple show winner in our area. Quality work, no doubt about that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, the undersides, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726, 347 B8 underneath the hood. And that is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering. And just take a look down the side of this car. See how straight that is? You get poor body work and panels that long. If you watch these videos before, you know I've mentioned it. And it definitely stands out. The other thing to take a look at is look at the doors, the fender gaps. Look at how everything fits. Look at how nicely aligned the trim pieces are. Interior redone as well. Absolutely gorgeous interiors in these Pontiacs. Everything kept very stock looking. Aftermarket gauge with the exception of that underneath the dash. And we'll check out the interior here in a little bit. Start it up. I want to show you the engine bay, let you hear it run. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome on the back of these cars and the bright work. Of course, Pontiac and Oldsmobile, along with the Tri-5 Chevys, very popular years from 55 to 57. A little more flash on these, no doubt about that. Riding on the wide whites, wheel covers. This will come with a front end cover. If you look in the background there is a front end cover to protect it going to shows and back and forth if you want to drive it on weekends. And also a car cover will be in the trunk and included with the purchase of this vehicle. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And take a look down the driver's side. This was originally a Kenyan white car, by the way, and you can see a picture of the data tag in with the still pictures. And once again, just look at how the door gaps are, the bright work alignment. Same in the front. Can tell it was a quality build. There's no doubt about that. With us knowing where this was built, it explains why. All right, look at this beautiful red and white interior to match the exterior. The bench seat belts installed. The alternating vinyl cloth combo from the rear to the front. Headliner, of course, with the bright work cross bows there. Wow. All right, let's take a look at this beautiful dash. Again, just pay attention to the bright work and detail in this. FYI, AM radio does work, wipers work, blower fan works. I'll show you something else pretty cool in this that works. Alright, nice little rumble coming out of it too. Gauges, battery, fuel, oil, all functioning. And they do have an aftermarket temp gauge right here. Look at the chrome and the bright work on that dash. Wow. and seats, free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. I'm going to click just these parking lights on. So one of the things I wanted to show you, these marker lights up front, check that out. Yes, those are working also. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Just take a listen. Again, 347 V8 underneath the hood. Great looking taillights and all that chrome. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's check out this engine bay. I think we know how that's going to look. Checking out the rest of this car. I bet it's awful nice.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Very stock looking. Just listen and look at how smooth this thing runs. Just hums. Again, power steering. Nice and tidy, great looking engine bay underneath the hood, finished as well. I want to show you this too. I'm looking at the engine bay here. Here's one last one. Let's take a listen. Watch how this hood closes. As easy as that, goes down straight. Nice fit and finish in this car. Again, multiple show winner. Frame off restoration done in our area by renowned Hot Rod Shop. 1957 Star Chief Catalina, or two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. We'll take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.